Guys, in this video we'll talk about how to access memories on WhatsApp like Snapchat web. So how can you access it? Like as you can see, this is the official website of snapchat.com, and if you try to like access memories on Snapchat from the web, you might not be able to do it, as this feature is only allowed in the application. Like if we read through the AI answer, the Google answer, so as you can see, you can't directly access or view snaps on the Snapchat web version. You'll need like the use of mobile app to view and manage your saved snaps. As you can see, this is not allowed, and the WhatsApp web is kind of a limited features. There are only few features that you can use on like the WhatsApp web, but if you want to access all the features of Snapchat, you must go through the application and you will be able to use all the features, including accessing your memories on Snapchat. Do not waste your time looking for any methods like to find it on the WhatsApp web. You will not be able to do it. So this is a simple and easy guide on how can you find your or access your memories on Snapchat.